All right, for station number 1, for the first 15 seconds of every round, you guys are going to be doing as many handstand push-ups as possible. So they can be kipping handstand push-ups. So Tarkin's using, this would be RX using just the mat here. We're not gonna get those big old gymnastics mats out because there's no room for them. You are going to kick up on the wall. And you're going to come down. Now remember with this, we're trying to have our butts off the wall at the top. And then when he comes down, his butt can find the wall for balance. The closer he can get his knees to his chest, the bigger kip he is going to have. So what he's trying to do is find the timing relationship between popping those hips and pressing up. Good work. All right, so for performance, any way to scale this movement is anything underneath your head, even an ab mat. But Tarkin has a 25-pound plate and an ab mat. Remember, we only want one ab mat. Stack up more plates if you need more height. But this is gonna make them slightly easier. Notice how close that plate and ab mat are to the head. You don't want it super far out or to the wall. You don't want it super far out from the wall because then that's just gonna make you be too far away from it when you're actually going through the movement. So that'd be option number 1 for performance. And then Tarkin, go ahead and grab your ab mat. You always want to have something underneath your head. Don't just bash your head off of the mat. So you can even use one of the yoga mats, but this works great as well. So we talked about this in the warm-up. So we want to find the A-frame position, obviously a little bit harder if your hamstrings are tight, but we just want to go over what you're trying to do here. He's trying to make a triangle between his hands and the top of his head. And then at the finish, he's pressing through and getting his head through at the finish. This is mimicking what the actual handstand push-up is like a little bit better. So that would be option 2 for performance. For fitness, if you can't do the pikes or the handstand push-ups on the wall, you're gonna do regular push-ups, no big deal. You can go from your knees or from your toes. You're gonna get as many reps as possible. And remember, we always wanna work perfect form, straight line down, straight line up, and you would just count to see how many push-ups you could do.